Again to the GRE catcher. We're still in chapter 3, the arithmetic, and that's the question 6. Question 6 says today the price of a table was reduced by 20% from what it was yesterday, and the price of the lamp was reduced by 30% from what it was yesterday. Okay, let's write this from the beginning. You have a table. And you have a lamp. Okay. The lamp was reduced 20% from what it was yesterday. So if the beginning the starting value is x, the value reduced is x times 20%. You can say that it's the value which is subtracted. Of course, it's not the value which is on now. It's now 80%. If you want to get the value which is the table is truly equal now, you will say it's x times 80%. I know it's obvious, but I just wanted to stress it. And the ramp is the starting value of the starting value is x, so the value or the cash money which is reduced is x times 30. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Okay, that's 30%. Okay, fine. Now he says that quantity A is the amount of the dollar amount of the reduction in the price of the table, and quantity B is the dollar amount of the reduction in the price of the ramp. So simply in this question he is saying that you have a table and ramp. The table is reduced by 20% from its starting price, and ramp is reduced by 30% from the starting price, and he wants to know which amount of dollars is reduced more, which one has more subtraction. It's kind of tricky because people may assume that 30% is always bigger than 20%, but it's not true. As I told you before, if you have an unknown, think about everything. Think about it's positive or negative, it's even or odd, it's big or small, it's an integer or a fraction. But okay, let's think about it. Of course, it's not a negative number, it's amount of money, amount of cash, so it will always be a positive value, right? It's a big or small, that's an issue. That's an issue of comparison. I want to know if this value, if the starting value of each of them is big or small. Okay, even or odd, I think it's not gonna be important for me. Okay, what else? Integer or a fraction, also I don't think it's gonna be important for me, anything. So I just want to compare the values if it's big or small. So let's say that the big value is something like 100, just use simple numbers, and the small value is 10. Alright, so if let's substitute for the table with 100 and the ramp with 10, and let's make another round and substitute the table for 10 and ramp for 100. Okay, if you substitute the table for 100, the starting value is 100. I want 20% of this. 20% of 100 is 20. So you have here reduction by $20. Okay. Okay, if you have the ramp is equal to $10 and you want to reduce 20%, so it will be reduction by $2. Okay, right, let's reverse it. Let's say that the table is $10 and the table is the lamp is $100. Now here we have reduction by 30%, $30, I'm sorry, $30, and for 10 you have reduction by $3. So just by reversing the values is reversed. I don't know if the taper is 100 or 10. I don't know the lamp. I don't know the exact value, which is cheaper and which is more expensive. So the relation cannot be determined. You can't say that quantity A is bigger or quantity B is bigger, because you don't have a specific thing that say that one of the items is more expensive than the other. So in this question, the relation cannot be determined from the given information, so you will choose the choice of D. The relation cannot be determined. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.